I sit on my bed. I look at my passport. I say, one day I go to Singapore. My mom laughs. Why Singapore? I say, I want to see big buildings. She says, and what else? I say, I want to eat noodles in the sky. She laughs again. You are crazy. But I'm not joking. I really want to go. I take my phone. I search for cheap flight to Singapore. I see many options. I pick one and book it. Yes, I book a flight. Now I run to my dad. I say I go to Singapore. He says, what? Are you serious? I nod. Very serious. I pack my clothes. I take 3 shirts, 2 pants, and 1 funny hat. My mom says, you forgot socks. Oh no, I throw in my socks. I go to the airport. It is very big. I feel small. I see many people. Some are happy, some are sleepy. I take a selfie. I post, bye-bye. I go to Singapore. My friends replying, take us too. I go through security. Beep. The guard says, take off your belt. Oops, I forgot again. I sit near the window. I look outside. The plane goes up, up. I say, wow, I can fly now. The girl next to me laughs. She says, first time. I say, yes, I'm going to eat noodles in the sky. She says, me too. Let's eat together. The air hostess comes. She asks, chicken or fish? I say, noodles, please. She says, sorry, no noodles. Oh no, my sky noodles are gone. The plane lands. I get out. Wow! Singapore is clean. No trash, no noise. Even the air smells fresh. I see a robot cleaning the floor. I say, hi, robot. The robot says, hello. Oh my gosh, it talks. I take a picture. I post a gang, talking robot in Singapore. I go to my hotel. It is small but nice. The bed is soft. I jump on the bed like a kid. Next day, I go out. I want to see the Marina Bay Sands. I take a bus, but I sleep on the bus. When I wake up, I'm lost. I ask a man, where am I? He says, Little India. I say, I wanted Marina Bay. He laughs, too far. Take MRT, I say. Mart. He shows me the train map, so many colors, I say. This is art, not a map. I reach Marina Bay. It is beautiful. I see water, Bloits. I say, this is better than a dream. I see a big lion. It is the Merlion. Water comes from its mouth. I say, it spits, but it's cute. I eat ice cream on bread. Yes, bread. It's cold and sweet. I say, bread cream is my new love. I go shopping. I see a shirt that says, ISG. I buy it. Now I look like a tourist. A lady asks, where are you from? I say, I'm from Earth. She laughs and gives me a discount. Wow, being funny saves money. It starts to rain. I run into a coffee shop. I order hot chocolate. I say, 1 cup for cold heart. The cashier laughs. That's new. A kid slips on the wet floor. He stands up and dances. People clap. I clap too. Singapore is full of happy people. I go back to my hotel. I look at my photos. Robots, noodles, rain, smiles. What a trip. I call my mom. She says, did you eat noodles in the sky? I say, no, but I met a talking robot. She laughs and says, crazy kid. I smile. This trip is my best memory. I wake up early. Today, I go to the Singapore Zoo. I wear my ISG shirt. I take my phone, my smile, and my snacks. I reach the zoo. It's big and green. I see a monkey first. It sees me and smiles. I wave, hey monkey. It throws a banana peel at me. Oh no, it missed my head. I say, nice aim. I go to the giraffes. They are tall, very tall. One looks at me. I say, do you play basketball? A little boy laughs. He says, that giraffe can dunk. I see us sighing. Feed the animals. I buy food. I feed a goat. The goat licks my hand. I scream. It's kissing me. People laugh. I laugh too. I go to Chinatown. It smells like heaven. So many food stalls. So many colors. I try chicken rice. It is soft and tasty. Then I try dim sum. I don't know what's inside, but it tastes like love. I sit with a group of tourists. One says, where are you from? I say, I'm from my mom. Everyone laughs. They are from Canada. We talk, we eat, we laugh. One girl says, you're funny. I say, Yes, I'm a walking comedy show. We take photos together. I say noodles. They say noodles. Click. New friends in one click. At night, I go to Marina Bay again. There is a light show. Music plays, lights dance. It's like magic in the sky. I sit on the grass. I eat ice cream again. A dog comes near me. I say, want a bite? The dog wags its tail. A little girl sings, twinkle, twinkle, little star. The lights match her song. I feel like I'm in a dream. I take a deep breath. I say, thank you, Singapore. I check my phone. Flight tomorrow morning. I go back to the hotel. I pack my bag. I keep my shirt safe and my robot photo too. I write in my notebook, this was not a trip. This was magic. I sleep with a big smile.